We are seeing two major trends in the communication service provider sector. The first is the customer expectation for a best-in-class omni-channel experience across every single digital touchpoint. The second is the emerging technology stack. So we have disruptive technologies like IoT, video streaming, and also more recently, or soon to be launched, 5G networks, which are going to cater for the capacity needs of individual market verticals. So for example, connected car, connected home would be two typical examples. So these new technologies are creating new business models and new revenue streams. I see two strategic priorities for our service provider clients. The first is customer experience and redefining the customer experience with a human lens across every single digital touch point. The second is organizational agility, and this is the ability to connect networks very quickly to new digital services. Our clients need to take into account two dimensions of redesigning the customer experience. The first is the human-centered approach, and second is the machine learning. So if you talk about the human side of it, this is where Cognizant have invested in human scientists and anthropologists who take a very pragmatic approach to understanding customer experience, both in terms of needs, met, unmet, wants, and customer behavior, to redesign the customer experience across every single digital touchpoint. The second dimension is then to connect those customer journeys that are being defined from a human lens with the internal business processes. Typically, these would be the revenue generating processes like quote to cash and customer to advocate. That way you're digital end to end. This is going to enable our clients to launch new digital services far more rapidly to market. Once we've connected the actual customer experience, the customer journeys, to the digital infrastructure and analytics together, we move away from static customer journeys to fluid customer journeys, which means one-to-one personalized customer experience all the time. And that's the future that Cognizant are building. Cognizant are setting up a digital business support system as a service model, which would allow service providers to connect new digital service very quickly using assets from Cognizant.